What up, tube? Today is Wednesday, May 16th. Normally my day off, but got up this morning, looked on my cameras, make sure my shop's open, make sure everybody's at work, and guess what? No, they're not. Got a shop full of customers and only one barber there. Pisses me off. It is what it is, guys. This is what it's like to be a barbershop owner, if you guys are wondering. You know, like sometimes you wake up and you expect to have a day off and relax and do whatever you want. But, you know, things don't work out the way they are. And you know what? When they don't, then you got to fucking get up and go handle business. That's what it is to be a boss. You know, I could send to other people to go do the job, or I do it myself. And, you know, and you want things done right, guess what? You do it yourself. So I'm headed to the shop right now, see what we can get into today. Stay active today, guys. You know what I mean? If I gotta work, I wanna make some money, so I'm not doing this for nothing. So I'm gonna go right now, try to bust them out, see what we can do. Maybe I can get off a little bit early and try to still save some of my day off today. But I'll stay in contact with you guys.
Let's go.
Well, it was a good thing I came in today. We've been slam busy. If I wouldn't have came in, there would only been 2 guys working. It is Wednesday today, but man, it's packed. I haven't had a break yet. I'm gonna head to the bank right now, get some change. That way I can just be ready for tomorrow. But you know, guys, this is what it's like being a barbershop owner. You know, when you have your days off, you just don't know what's gonna happen. You don't know if your crew's gonna show up, and all you could do is hope for the best and hope that they do show up. You know, you never know when they're gonna show up, when they're not gonna show up. And I go through this every single day, guys. Every single day. It's just a ongoing battle of trying to get people to show up to work, you know. Why? I have no idea. it is what it is, and I'm finding out that this is the way it is in the barbershop business. But we'll get this day finished up today. It's been a really good day. I really didn't have nothing planned for today anyway. I got an appointment at 4 o'clock to go do some stuff, but I'm just gonna leave a little early and go handle that. But I'm gonna go to the bank and take care of this, and then we'll get into some stuff at the shop. I got some haircuts already in the books. I'll get some more in there to get for you guys to check it out. All right. Working your days off is a pretty common thing, guys, when you're a barbershop owner. Remember that when you want to be a barbershop owner, you know, you might have 2 days off, but you never get 2 days off. I mean, it's always got to do something. Or if you're on your days off, you're always running around and you're buying supplies or doing things for the shop. So it's never like you actually get 2 days off. And I never started getting 2 days off until just maybe a year ago. No, 2 years ago. I remember the first year I opened up, I worked, well, not just the first year, the first 6 years, I always worked 6 days a week. And man, I remember there was one time when I was working 7 days a week for probably like 3 months straight. But those are the sacrifices you got to make when you're a barbershop owner. You know, it's different when you work for somebody, but when you're the owner himself, there's no saying, who am I going to delegate this to? You know, luckily I have my daughter, but my daughter's pregnant, you know, so I can't really delegate too much to her. So she does as many days as she can, but you know, it's all on me on this thing, you know. So, but that's just, you know, just to give you guys a little heads up for you guys that want to be barbershop owners, and those of you guys that are already owners, you guys know what I'm talking about. There's no delegating this to anybody else. I gotta be here and I gotta put in the work myself. I wake up in the morning, I have my shop cameraed up, so I can always see what's going on there. So I opened up my phone this morning, and it's 9:30, and the barbershop's packed. There was probably at least 10 people waiting, and there was only one barber working. Like, what am I gonna do? I'm not gonna ignore that. I can't. You can't. You're the barbershop owner. It's irresponsible for me. Just to give you guys an example. So what do I gotta do? I gotta cancel everything I got planned for today, and I gotta head into the shop. You know, one of the boys ended up calling in, the other one's running late. I get there, now there's 3 of us working. But you know, that's some of the sacrifices that you go through when you're a barbershop owner. I'm just giving you guys a heads up so that when you guys become shop owners, that you guys that are pushing and thriving to be an owner, this is what you gotta put. This is the kind of stuff that's gonna happen, and you know, there's no way around it. Prepare yourself for it, because you know what, it is what it is, and it's got to be done. So what I do is you know, my suggestion to you guys is you know, even you guys that are just starting right now or working for somebody else, establish yourself a good work ethic. You know, get up early every morning. You know, get yourself to work and establish a good work ethic. Don't leave from your shop. If your shop is slow, you don't leave. You start making phone calls. Get on social networks. Start pushing yourself out there. You know what? It's only slow if you allow it to be slow, guys. You guys need to start going out there and pushing yourself so that you guys can be busy, you know, and help your shop owner out. Do something around there once in a while. You know, it helps out when you help out and you do something for the shop. It goes a long way with the shop owner. But with that being said, guys, I'm gonna head back to the shop right now. I'm gonna finish up the day right now. It's about 1:30, so we still got about 4 more hours to go, 5 more hours to go at the shop. So there's it's gonna end up being a really good day, monetarily wise. But you know, my day off is shot out, and tomorrow's my regular work day. So it is what it is, guys. I'll be here, and this is what I live for. This is barber life. All right. Hey guys, heading out of the shop. It is right now about 6:15, and I'm working a full day. No choice. Well, I got a choice, but you know what? It's what it is, guys. This is what it's like. This is what it is when you're a barbershop owner. You gotta be on call all the time, and when your number gets called, you know, and you gotta step it up, dude. Just, it is what it is. Can't do nothing about that. All right, guys. With that being said, see you guys mañana.